समानता हेल्थ केयर लिमिटेड फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी जो स्टेराइल लिक्विड उत्पादों के विकास, निर्माण और विपणन में संलग्न है, जिसमें बड़े और छोटे वॉल्यूम पेरेंटेरल्स LVPs और SVPs शामिल हैं, अपनी प्रारंभिक सार्वजनिक पेशकश IPO 1 सितंबर 2025 को खोलने का घोषणा एक प्रेस वार्ता के माध्यम से किया है।
These are the figure of profit and loss account. If you have to go broadly, turnover was 774 crores, EBITDA was 61 crores, and PAT was 10.5 crores. The balance sheet numbers are there in front of you. All the figures are there in the presentation given to you also. Next. So forward, if you see the competitive advantage the company has got, we have well established pharmaceutical manufacturing, diverse product range. Our product range are diverse compared to the peers. Our products are having all offerings. We have a market partnership with the reputed pharmaceutical companies apart from national sales as well as international sales. We are committed for the CSR activities also. We are doing good number of CSR activities. The diverse product range portfolio. We have 6 therapeutic segments. In peer groups also, all the companies are not having all the 6 therapeutic segments. We could be having overlap with some companies, some product portfolio, some particular service. But we are having 6 product portfolio. Probably in our entire peer group, nobody is having all the 6 product portfolio the way we have got. We have strong distribution network of 320 distributors. So, last slide is for IPO. Mr. Yogesh Bhai Jain, he will give the details.
So, good afternoon everyone. I welcome you all for the press meet of Amanta Healthcare Limited today. We are here with one more exciting company for which IPO is coming very soon. Beeline Capital is the sole lead manager of this IPO. The IPO will open on 1st September for the public and 3rd September it will close. The anchor date is 29th August. The IPO price band has already been announced today, which is from 120 rupees to 126 rupees per share. It will be in the multiples of the lot size, which is 119 shares. So QIB will be maximum 15%. NII is minimum 15% and retail is minimum 35%. The reservations has been for all these 3 categories. So the company will be listing on NSE and BSE main board platform. So we will have a further round of discussions after Q&A. So maybe I would open the floor for question and answers. So request.
It was very good for pharmaceutical manufacturing in general, but somehow we were exceptionally and adversely impacted. The reason being that ours is a voluminous product. In pharmaceuticals, for example, tablets if they will make the tablets, put in the big canister, and the packaging is done offline. In our case, the bottles are made within a few minutes or hours. We have to label it. Unlabeled bottle is very difficult and is a voluminous product. If we run the plant for 3 days and if we don't label, the whole packing section and the quality area will get filled with bottles without label, and contents you can't distinguish visually. So every bottle that is made has to be labeled and then only next batch is made. So we have to follow very strict guidelines on that. During COVID time, workers were not coming only. And in both the years, we had to shut down the plant for 60 days. So it impacted us adversely. But I mean, COVID it doesn't happen it happens once in a century. So that is a history now. We all have lived that and witnessed that event. But thereafter, once it was normalized, then we could again get to normal operation. Post-COVID, the usage pattern has changed a lot. There are 2 things that have changed. One is that more and more doctors started using IV fluid as a vehicle for medication. Earlier, if you remember, like 30-40 years back, IV fluid was given only when there is serious critical condition, otherwise not they will change. Now even vitamins are supposed to be administered through IV solution. So IV is a very good vehicle. Typically in US or Europe, if a person is hospitalized, he will be administered 4 to 6 bottles at a time. In India that was not the case, but post-COVID I think that has come into practice because there are obvious advantages. The other thing is government guideline. Government doesn't like or support the concept of administering two medications together. Like you will see combination drugs, one tablet having two actives, that government restricts now. Similarly, if like a person has to be given vitamin C, then if it is a 500 ml solution, they will give vitamin C. In 100 ml, again they will give another medication likewise. So the usage pattern has changed. So hope I have answered your question. Footprint, it varies from therapy to therapy. For instance, Steripod that we saw or we are seeing here, it's an innovation that we were the first one to bring it to India, and it is India-centric. Having said that, we still export to markets like Kenya, but our main target audience will remain India. Talking about globally, respiratory care, for example, they are more focused in markets like Philippines and Vietnam and Thailand. Formulation injectables are more towards Africa and Southeast Asia. You must have seen eye irrigation product. We call it irrigation, but it's not nothing to do with irrigation, but it's eye and wound irrigation. It's used in phaco surgeries. That is primarily sold in UK, Ireland and Spain at the moment, and we will expand that in Europe and markets like Australia, New Zealand. So I will rephrase my answer to an extent. Whatever product portfolio we have developed and whatever geographic areas we are addressing, in the same geographies we would be able to add more therapeutic offerings.